What is up, guys? This is Brandon back on Brandon Coin, Tuesday, March 13th, 2018 daily mining update video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do this every single day. This is all the graphics cards that I own. I did not do doubles. This is all individual. So like I do own more than one 1050, for example, but this is just what one 1050 makes. So this is all, data to reference for your system to see if hopefully you're doing better than me and hopefully not worse. But if you wanted to take a look at that, most of the time I go through and read every single one, but I'm not going to do that today. If you want to look at it all, I have it broken down by what the cards are making in fiat, what algorithm they're mining, what speed they're mining at, the satoshis per day that they're making, the estimated power cost, and then that gives you your estimated profit. So go ahead and pause the video now if you want to take a look at that, and I'm rolling on to the next thing. Bitcoin right now is still around 9,255. Mining has pretty much stayed stagnant from yesterday to today. I haven't really noticed my rates really gone up or down. It's pretty much just like, up a little, like tiny bit, or down a little tiny bit, just depending on the algorithm. Nothing notable either way. But I did notice that the MSI GTX 1050 Aero, the 2 gig cards, are coming back in stock March 21st. They're $134 a piece. Link for these will be down in the description. They're only single fan models, but these 1050s, they don't get hot. They run like ice cold. And if you can't already tell, I got this huge like boom microphone thing. I thought this was going to be a good idea. I don't know exactly how it's going to sound audio wise, because every time I keep recording it comes through like really loud, but it sounds a little bit more crisp. So tell me if I need to ditch the microphone or not. But I do want to show y'all, this is my current computer that I'm recording on. It's got the FX 8320E 8-core processor, and then it's got a 1080, 1050 Ti, 1050 Ti, 1050 Ti, 1030, and a 1080. So I'm actually running all these cards and the mining on the processor whenever I'm not actually recording. I don't want to start it up now because it'll start to make my recording start to shutter, but I am still using NiceHash, because some people have made some rumors down in the comments that I've jumped ship and I don't use NiceHash anymore. I absolutely still do. Now, is NiceHash for everybody? Absolutely not. I believe Simple Miner is a lot more stable. And then the GTX 1050 Gigabyte, the dual fan overclock models. This is the exact models that I'm running in my 6-card 1050 system. They're coming back in stock March 18th for $154.99. The only thing is, though, that price is getting up there. These cards originally used to sell for $129, and it was $139, then $149, and now $154. I'm thinking about buying one more just to throw in that 6-card rig and turn it into a 7-card rig with a PCIe adapter, or with the M.2 to PCIe adapter. So yeah, I think I might just get one just so I have a matching set. But link for these will be down in the description below if you're interested in one. For example, let's see, what does one of these cost? See, $193. That's crazy for a 20 megahertz bump in clock. So and then over on the Brandon Coin website, to get there, go brandonco.in is the easiest way. Go over to the forums, introduce your rig, and let's see what we got. My mining rig and gaming PC. No description, just a picture. This is Jack. Oh, okay. It's got a description here. This thing looks good. Corsair Air 540 EVGA for the win 3 1080 Ti. That's a baller card right there. i7 4970K, awesome processor. Asus Z97K motherboard. Corsair H115i CPU cooler. 16 gigabytes Corsair Vengeance 2400 megahertz DDR3 RAM. Creative Sound Blaster sound card. 3 Samsung 256 960 Pro SSDs. Okay, you got some money in SSDs right there. 2.5 terabyte hard drive, Corsair LL140 fans, and a EVGA 1000 watt Platinum 2 power supply. Yeah, this looks good. Gosh, that looks so good. I'm just blown away. Oh, okay, and then you got 1060 6 gig cards. Oh, we got some Zotacs there. I have some of those. One EVGA, two Zotac, one MSI, one ASUS. Motherboard you're running is a B250H. Celeron processor, the 3950. 8 gigs of DDR4, an 850 watt power supply, and a 500 watt power supply on a Samsung 850 Pro. That is a way overkill SSD for a mining rig, but I mean, if you got it, flaunt it. And then you got all the lights. But you just hung them in a closet is what it looks like. Yeah, just hung them in a closet. Got your air duster ready to go. This is an interesting setup by far. Is it worth it? Somebody commented one day ago. Is it worth it? Can we reply? Do we need to make an account? Nah, fam. Oh snap. We can't do that. Alright. Well, that's pretty much gonna call it. I'm calling it a early day today. I got a bunch of footage of me working on the current rig that I was showing y'all right here, this breakdown, and actually getting a splitter, because right now I'm running 4 cards off this system. I'm actually running the 1050 Ti, 1050 Ti, 1050 Ti, and the 1030 all off of a 4 card U-bit splitter. So look out for that video here in probably the next day or two. I just wanted to do a full in-depth review on like everything that I ran into with that splitter, because they're kind of aggravating, but once they get set up, I mean, the usability is awesome. I turned to a system that normally would have only held 3 graphics cards, and now it holds, 6. So you can't argue with those numbers. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Adios.